Hello guys, if you want to see what I got in here, keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry from Cherry Beauty Step. How are you guys? I really hope you're good health and you're not sick while watching my video. And for today, we're gonna do unboxing. Yay! So I have three boxes that I'm gonna open today, and unfortunately, it's not makeup related. I'm sorry, but it's art related. If you love to do arts, puzzle, me, I know I just finished my 1000 pieces, and that's the first time I did a puzzle. Maybe I'll insert a pictures here somewhere. We'll see. So yeah, so I'm thinking about actually I still have another puzzles that I have to do, and the one that I finish is I asked my husband to buy me the frame, and maybe I will put it here on the top. We'll see what will happen, because that puzzle is very big. So yeah, and I asked my husband to buy it for me because he's a Prime member, so he's usually it's free shipping. Compare if I'm the one buying it, I have to pay the shipping. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. And what else? I'm thinking about something, but I forgot. So, I don't know. So, let's open our first box. So, this is the first one, and yes, this three boxes is they are related to each other. Related to each other, yes. So, I have this already for I would say 2 weeks now, and I really wanted to do it already, but I'm thinking it's like no, I have to wait until I do my unboxing because I want to show it to you guys. And I also tell my friends that okay, I'm gonna do unboxing, and maybe I will show it to you on this video. We'll see if I will do it, insert here in the video. One it's like in my mind, it's like so yeah, if I will insert the video that I will doing it here, or I will do a separate video, we'll see. But if you want to know my makeup I had, I will put it down below, the link. It is from I Morphe Gel Pieces what brushes. Oh my god, my brain frog. So yeah, oh my god, I'm sorry I talked too much. So it's already open, so it's easy for me to show it to you guys. So I have it here. Da-da-da-da! I don't know if I'm gonna put it in my title, what is it, but it is 4 pieces, and it's I got this because I wanted to give this as a Christmas gift. We'll see. But it is, let me get one. I know there are like 4 of them. I will show it to you, the 3, when I'm done opening this. This is oh my god, it's like, what is that? What is that? It is ding 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 ding, a diamond painting. Yes, it's a diamond painting. So I have 4 pieces in different what did it say, pictures. So in this what is this, it's already, so this is included of this one. So let me show it to you. I know it's like you can't really tell what is it right now. This is the one. Yeah, you can really, yeah, you can tell. It's like it's a house, and then it looks like a horse. So it's winter time because I love winter. I know winter is cold and depressing, you know, but I love winter. I don't know, it's just I don't I love it. So this is the one, and this one is already included the beads. If you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, about diamond painting, you can search on YouTube or Google and it would show up. So I've been like every time I scroll Facebook, it always show up, and I said, okay, let me try, since I finished the puzzle for the first time, the 1000. So yeah, it is included the beads. It has different colors, so it has numbers also. It has numbers, so you know what number. It's like cross stitch. If what is this, if you don't know, before I think high school, I was in high school, oh my goodness, I'm into cross stitch. And even now, it's in my house in the Philippines, and maybe if I'm going home, I could show it to you in the future. We'll see if we can go home next year, we'll see. But yeah, it's still there in my house, and it's huge. Like the first one I made is angel. So good luck if this is gonna be, because I don't know if my patients are, so this is the one, beads with different colors, so it's like cross stitch, if you know what I'm talking about. And this is the, what is this, for it has, this is the glue, and this is when you put, this is for the beads when you pour the beads, and this one is to pick up the beads. Don't worry, guys, I will show it to you. How will I do it? Or you can search in YouTube, there's a lot of videos in there. But yeah, so this is the one. So you pick up the, what is this, you pick up the glue like that, and then you get the beads, and then you just stick. You don't need to like cross stitch. It's not like that. It's just glue. Yes. So that is the one, and I have 3 more. It's a different, I don't know if you want me to open all of them. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna, if please like my page, Cherry's Beauty Stuff, because I'm gonna take a pictures whenever my progress is the same thing as the puzzles. With every time it's like the end of the day, I took a pictures and post it there, so you can see the progress I made, guys. So this is another one. It's yeah, like this one is reindeers. Yeah, you can't really tell what is it, but don't you worry, I will, like I said, please like my page so you can see my progress if you wanna see. Like especially now, I know there's a lot of countries that they're opening, and then now they are planning to go back to lockdown again or close, because it's back. It's getting crazy, but I don't mind staying another month. I don't know, it's just I'm a homebody, so I'm not really having trouble staying home. So because I already show you the diamond painting, this too is, like I said, is related to that. So let's open up, and here, let's see. I'll be back. Let me open this one, then I'll show it to you. So in the box, it has this picture, and yes, that is not for painting. It looks like it. It's just the box. So like I said, this is related to the diamond painting, and it has this one. And you're like, what is that? It is tracing light pad light box. So you know that I'm wearing glasses, and my eyes is not that great. My eyesight is not that great. So we ordered I'm like, get it out. A light pad. So what you're gonna do with this is, why it's only like this? Where's the rest? Wait, this is the one. Wait, I'll be back, guys. So this is it, and it has this one to charge them. Charge, and this one is lighting up. So when you do the diamond painting, this one is lighting up, and you put it here, so it's easy to see the numbers. It has numbers, and don't you worry, I will do a video while I'm doing that, so it's easy to see. And it's like you're thinking, like, what is that for? So you can see what is this for. But the name of this is light pad light box LED. So yeah, and which is good because rechargeable, and you can use your power bank to charge this one. So yeah, so this is the last box, and I forgot what is this. So oh yeah, I think let me open it up and I'll be back. So this is the third box, and this is related again to the diamond painting. And actually I have one more. I asked my husband to get me now, because a lot of people are saying that the glue from that kit is not really good. So I will ask my husband to grab me a different glue. So yeah, and maybe I'll show that to you in the future. We'll see. But this one is a tiny container bead storage tray. So yeah, this is the same, this is what you got, and it has like a tiny compartment, and you can, this is for the beads, because the beads for the kit is very tiny. So this is very good. Like when I saw this one, it's like, yes, that is perfect, because I don't want to put them in like I know the kit, it has, what is this, like a small ziploc that you can put your beads, but nope, I want like this. And how much is this, Asawa? How much is this? We don't remember, but we're gonna put all the links from Amazon down below, so you can see how much is it. And this is for the beads, yeah, and then you can put the number, so you know what number is that. So because the beads has numbers, so you can put the number here on the front, so you know which beads are you gonna use. So yeah, that's it. I'm so excited for my new arts, diamond painting. So I don't think I will open this, but don't you worry, like I said, I will have maybe another separate video for when I'm gonna start the diamond painting. But yeah, that's it for unboxing arts today. And yeah, and thank you for watching, and I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like this kind of content, please comment down below, give me love, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom.